Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ReCharge on Shopify subscriptions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall ReCharge on your Shopify subscriptions, begin by logging into your Shopify app. Navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. Scroll through your installed apps to find ReCharge. Click on the ReCharge app to open its settings. In the ReCharge dashboard, look for the Settings tab, usually found in the side menu. Click on Settings to access ReCharge configuration options. Within the Settings menu, locate the option labeled Billing. Select Billing to review your current subscription plan. Here, identify the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of your ReCharge subscription. Once your subscription is canceled, return to the Shopify admin panel. Navigate back to the Apps section. Find ReCharge again in the list of installed applications. Next, click on the Delete or Remove button next to the ReCharge app. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up that appears. The app will be uninstalled from your Shopify store. Finally, double-check your store settings to ensure that all ReCharge-related integrations have been removed. Your Shopify subscriptions should now be free of ReCharge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.